Technique of handling scissors over comb. Scissors over comb is used to create close-cut, defined shapes in short cropped hair. Accurate use of the comb is important as it guides the scissors and helps to shape the cut. At the end of the class, you will be able to hold the scissors and comb properly for cutting the hair. Recognize the movement of scissors and comb while cutting the hair. Here are some of the basic techniques for handling the comb and scissors. When you are required to hold the hair in the left hand, then both the scissors and the comb are held in the right hand. The ring finger of the right hand goes into the scissors hole and the comb is held on top of the scissors in the same hand. But then when you start cutting, you move the comb to the left hand and hold the scissors in the right hand. You comb the hair and hold the section of the hair in the left hand, and at that time you hold the comb in the left hand as well, but it is held in such a way that it is nestled between the forefinger and the thumb, and the right hand is free to hold the scissors for cutting. For cutting the hair really short for men, you use the comb in the upward movement and you hold it with the thumb and forefinger in such a way that the thumb is on the bottom edge of the comb and the forefinger is on the teeth of the comb. And the comb moves slowly and the scissors move fast. If the comb moves faster and the scissors move slowly, then there are chances that you may miss to cut an entire section of hair. Now, to check whether the cut has been done properly, the hairdresser again moves the comb in the natural downward direction, and if there is more longer hair, then he again reverses the comb and combs it in the upward direction and cuts. The cutting is always done with the right hand and the angles on the head are made by the left hand. With this, we come to the end of this class. We learned how to use the scissors over the comb. Take our next class to learn about layered haircut on long hair for men.